Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £6,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. But they include the M Sport Plus package. We do have the carbon black metallic paintwork, we have the LED headlights, gloss black front grills, we also have the full M Performance kit including the front splitter. We've got the 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and with the blue M Sport brake calipers. Side skirts along the bottom, we do have the colour-coded door handles, we have the brushed metal trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We've got the shark fin antennae up top, the eDrive badging as well on the side. Round to the rear you find we have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We do also have the rear diffuser and the dual exit exhaust. We've got the 530e badging on the tailgate. And making our way back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, having a look at the front, you find we have the full leather interior with the blue stitching. Got the electrically adjustable front seats, both of which are heated. Got premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights and automatic wipers. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the digital dash in front of us. We've got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. Start button, just press that and the vehicle will turn on. You see we do have the digital dashboard, which is free from any warning lights. We do also have the main screen here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Got the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find we have the radio stations just here. We do also have the other options, such as the Bluetooth audio and the USB. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the intelligent safety system just there, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the automatic gearbox, so if you put it into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, we do also have the different drive modes. So if we go back, you'll find we have the Eco Pro drive mode. We do also have the Comfort and Sport drive mode. Also changes the look of the dashboard for each drive mode, as you can see. We also have the heads-up display just up here, if the camera can pick it up. If any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. It's not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the climate control further down, heated seats on either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning, all working as they should do, as you can see. We have the drive mode buttons, so the electric handbrake, auto hold button, and a nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 2017 BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm now to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it would change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side. We have the digital dashboard here in front of us, which can show different displays that we've seen on the photos and also the walk around video. Above there we do have the heads up display, currently showing the digital speedo. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You could easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also has plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. For example, we do have the DAB radio and the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we do have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we do also have the automatic gearbox as well, with all the different drive modes. Now I'm about to take a right hand turn, so if we start to slow down and then put our right indicator on. I'm going to make a right hand turn now just in a moment onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop. So taking the right hand turn now onto the industrial park and perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. You find we have the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.